The Nissan Ariya's key fob typically uses a CR2032 battery. If your fob isn't unlocking doors or starting the car remotely, a battery replacement is likely needed. First, gently pry open the fob casing using a plastic pry tool or even a guitar pick to avoid damage. Insert the tool into the seam and carefully separate the two halves. Remove the old battery, noting which side faces up. Replace it with a new CR2032, ensuring the correct polarity. Snap the case back together firmly. Test the fob by trying to unlock the car. If it doesn't work, try holding the unlock button near the vehicle for 5 to 10 seconds to resync. Sometimes the fob casing may crack or not close properly after replacement. This is the open case issue. Make sure the PCB is correctly aligned inside before snapping the halves together. Forcing it can cause further damage. If the remote still isn't working after a new battery, it might be a syncing problem. Try cycling the car's ignition or using the Add Key option in the vehicle's settings menu. A firmware update, v2.1.3, August 2025, to your car can resolve most of these issues by prompting an automatic resync. If problems persist, especially after water damage, consult a professional to prevent potential electrical issues.